In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami Easter egg emoji. See, it's got the eyes, and on the bottom, there's the mouth. So the mouth is kind of hidden. And yeah, and the nice thing about this is that you can actually make it stand. It stands nice and stable like that. See? Isn't that cool? And since Easter is in a few days, on Easter Day, I'm going to show you how to make this origami Easter egg vase. See? And it doesn't really look exactly like an Easter egg, but I named it the Easter egg vase because this is a variation of this model. So a lot of the folds in this model are very similar. Yep, and it stands. So for this model, click right here when I publish that video. Okay. Without further ado, let's make the origami Easter egg emoji. Oh, and also if you want to fold a rabbit, I recently taught this right here. Okay, here we go. Alright, so for these two Easter eggs, I'm going to use 6-inch kami. But you could probably manage to do it from a sheet of print paper cut square. But make sure you color one side so you'll have eyes. Okay, let's begin white side up and fold in half. We're going to make a water bomb base and fold half this way. And now fold this corner to the top. And turn over and repeat on this side. Okay, and now open and bring the sides together like this. And there it is, the water bomb base. Okay, let me zoom in. And now we're going to fold this corner up how much? Well, we're going to decide the distance of the eyes. So this is going to be half the distance, like this. But maybe about like this is good. You can just eyeball this. It doesn't need to be perfect. Or it can just be to taste. And repeat on this side. And you can just match what you did here. Alright, and repeat on the back side. And you can just make the fold align with this edge below. And make them align here too. Alright, like this. Unfold these two flaps, and take this corner and fold it to the top. And I'm just going to make a little crease mark in the middle. Just about like that. Now, unfold that, refold these two flaps, and by holding the layers down, take this corner and fold it to the intersection of the crease and the crease mark. See? And notice that this fold is kind of off to an angle, and that's good. This is what makes the shape of the Easter egg, like this. And repeat on this side, fold this corner to that point. Yeah, if we folded it directly to the middle, it would look more like a water bomb. Probably. And repeat that on this side too. So there's the crease mark, fold it to there. Alright, and now pick a side because they're both the same. I'm gonna make the eyes on this side, so let's work on the eyes. So take this corner and we're gonna fold it up right on this point, and we're gonna fold it so that this edge is parallel with this edge. Or, and also another guide mark is that you can make the edges align right here too. See, there's edges. Just make those align. That's a better guide mark. Like this. Alright, don't fold it directly over the edge because it'll be off to an angle and the eyes will look different. Okay, and repeat on this side. I'm going to fold right on that point. And I'm going to make the edges, if my camera would focus. There you go. I'm going to make the edges align right there. Okay. Alright, and now open them. Let's do one at a time. And squash. Okay, and fold this flap up like this. And there's one eye. And let's do the other eye. Open the flap and squash. And fold the raw corner up to the top point. And there's our eyes. See? Look at that. Alright, now we're going to round it off a little bit more so it'll look more like an Easter egg. So this is really up to you. It's a taste. So I'm going to fold the... Oh, actually, before we do that, I'm going to eliminate these two flaps here because they're kind of in my way. So I'm just going to do the water bomb technique. So I'm just going to fold this up just about like that. So I'm going to fold it up, leaving a little bit of space right there. Okay, and now fold it up over the edge. And open the pocket and stick it inside, like that. And same on this side. Yeah, notice I'm leaving a little bit of space there. I'm not folding it directly to the edge, so that way when I fold it over, it doesn't interfere like that. So you just fold it up just a little bit like that. No, sorry. Fold it up, leaving a little bit of space, and fold it over. Open the flap here, and you can tuck that thing in like that. Okay, and these 2 points I'm going to get rid as well. So I'm going to fold it over the edge, unfold it, and you could just leave it folded over like this. This will be a little bit easier, I think. But to make it a little bit better, I'm going to just stick it inside of the edge like that. Alright, and repeat on this side. There you go, that was a little bit tricky, so that really wasn't necessary, but there it is. But I think it looks better that way. And turn over, and now let's continue rounding the egg. So this is really up to you, this is to taste, but just about like this. I'm going to fold it up about like that. And repeat on this side. It doesn't really matter what direction you fold these flaps in. Okay, and on the 2 eyes, I'm going to fold them behind like this, and I'm going to make the fold align with this edge, like this. Okay, there you go, just like that, and repeat here. Alright, and now here comes the fun part. We're gonna inflate it. So, oh, actually, before we inflate it, you can get rid of these. That's what I did with this model. You can just fold these flaps over like this. You don't have to do that. It even looks nice with the flaps, but I think it'll look better without them. So just fold them over like this, and same here. And you don't need to tuck them into the pockets. Okay, and now it's inflated. So separate here, and there should be a hole right there, and this should be pretty easy to inflate because the hole is pretty big. And here we go. See, and it should easily inflate like that. Oh, and if the flaps come undone, you can just refold them. Oh, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, and just kind of shape it to taste. And if your hole is big enough, you can put your finger inside and just kind of fix up the glitches and just shape it to taste. Like this. And there is the Easter egg emoji, like this. Or you can re-blow into it to fix it up. See? And it's pretty kind of screwed up right there. Hold on, let me just fix that up real quick. Okay, they're good enough. This will probably be better if you fold it out of foil. If you fold it out of foil origami paper. Yep. But anyways, there it is, the origami Easter egg emoji, and it stands like that. And you can also use it as a vase too, like this model that I taught right here. Well, I didn't teach it yet, but I will in a few days. But yeah. But anyways, there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this emoji Easter egg and were able to fold it. And let me see if I can make it spin. Yeah, barely. Alright, hope you guys like this model. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, my next video will be this vase. And click right here when it's available. Alright, see you guys later.